Dr. Leah, someone asks, can you tell me what is tantric sex?
Tantra has been practiced for more than 5,000 years in India. It's meant to bring you together spiritually and sexually while emphasizing the importance of intimacy during a sexual experience. It can be practiced with a partner or without. Tantra uses breathing sounds and movements to activate sexual energy. So the goal of tantric sex is to achieve spiritual and energetic contact. The practice can be slow and not always aimed at achieving an orgasm, but feeling a connection to either your partner or yourself that's intense and enlightened during a sensual experience. There are different types of Tantra. White Tantra is typically slow and practiced by yourself. It starts with breathing and body work and is aimed at purification of the mind and body. Red Tantra involves meditations and rituals that are highly sexual and provocative. It focuses on pleasure, sensations, and sexuality. Red Tantra's aim is to awaken sexuality and feel sexual energy to be fully energized and multi-orgasmic. Pink Tantra is a combination of white and red, as you would expect, and a general theme is growing in love and consciousness. Gray Tantra is a more spiritual form of Tantra, and Black Tantra is more about power and control. Tantra is an Eastern philosophy, not just a sexual practice. It includes several concepts, including meditation, and it's a spiritual practice as much as it is a mental one.